Hi, my name is Dave Cowan. I'm the Executive Vice President here at L&M Supply in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. Storage Solutions was a great strategic partner for us. As we were working through the design and layout and development of the facility, they were great in the knowledge and expertise they brought to the table as we were thinking through what would work out best for us and our unique business needs, bringing the data that drove the decision of the solution that they were proposing. That really helped us gain confidence in knowing that the partnership that we had built with them was the right decision, and to this day we're really be happier than we are.
Our goals for this project were to expand distribution capabilities to support growth, meet an aggressive timeline, and to optimize the facility's layout to accommodate a complex mix of products.
I think we're really happy with the fact that it was not just a kind of one and done kind of a deal. It was a partnership and kind of took all of our needs into account, and from there we've now taken some of the solutions that we've got from Storage Solutions and then implemented them even in some of our stores. So it's been a long-term relationship that we've established, and pretty happy with that.
L&M Fleet Supply's new Greenfield facility now features over 1,000 bays of pallet racking and more than 13,000 pallet positions. The installation also included aerosol and gun cages, pallet rack protection, labeling, and both vertical and horizontal fire baffles to meet safety requirements.
If I were to boil down our relationship with Storage Solutions, I would say that Storage Solutions has the insight and the knowledge to be a trusted partner for us here at L&M.